Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about implicit differentiation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about the product rule of derivative. So for example, if we have f of s equals to ab, so if we do first derivative, we need to do first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So we can apply the formula in here. So we do first derivative of the square root of s multiplied by the square root of y. Later that, we need to do first derivative of the square root of y multiplied by the square root of s. This one, that's about s to the power of 4 multiplied by y. Later that, we do first derivative of y multiplied by s to the power of 4. Next, that's about number 24. This one, we have 1 over 2 with the square root of s. This one, because we have y in here, so we have first derivative of y over number 2 with the square root of y. This one, we have for s to the power of 3. We apply the power rule in here. So this one, we have first derivative of y. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0 in here. So I will put this one go to the left, this one go to the right. So first derivative of y, we can do about factorization. Next, we divide both sides by this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.